Hello class, welcome back to our online class today. It's me again, Teacher Jenny. Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. And every Monday, everyone, for our first session, we are going to study Blueprint 2. So everyone, please prepare your textbook Blueprint 2. Our unit for this first session is Unit 2, Small Talk, to page 26. We are also going to review object pronouns. And our new lessons, we have I Study English Because, Part A, Model Monologue, Part B, Vocabulary, Part C, Vocabulary Comprehension, and Part D, About You. So this first session is kinda long and exciting lesson. So let's start. Alright class, so before we proceed to our new lesson, let's review our previous lesson. Last time we talked about object pronouns. So like this one, everyone, let's review this one more time. Write a pronoun to replace each underlined object. So for number 1, I want to give grandma a really nice birthday gift. So the underlined object is grandma. So what should we do? What object pronouns we need to change for this one? Her. Next, number 2. Mom and Dad always take me and Susan on a nice vacation every year. So number 2, we have me and Susan. So this one we change to us. So me and Dad always take us on a nice vacation every year. Now let's move on to our number 3. Roberto's a calm person. He doesn't usually worry about small problems. So let's change this one into them. Roberto's a calm person. He doesn't usually worry about them. So let's move on to number 4. We don't need to look at these apartments. These apartments is the underlined words. So let's change to them also. We don't need to look at them. So this is our object pronouns. Next, number 5. Good seeing you and Katrina. So you and Katrina, you can change into you only. So you, both person or one person is equivalent to you. Good seeing you. Next, our last sentence, I'd like to introduce you to Jane's brother. Jane's brother. So this one changed to him. I'd like to introduce you to him. So that's it, everyone. This is our review for today's lesson. Now let's move on to our new lesson for today. I study English because in lesson number 4, we are going to read the monologue. So you are going to read the monologue, and also you are going to listen this monologue as well. So let's start.
Track 14. Some people study English to get a good job. English is the international language of business, and pilots from all countries use it too. Other people study English because they want to attend an American university or move to the United States or another English-speaking country. Others are curious. They want to learn English so they can talk with foreigners and learn about their countries. I study English for a different reason. I study because I set a goal to speak 7 languages, and English is my 3rd one. I also know Spanish and French. Sometimes English is difficult, but remember why you're studying it. Thinking about your goal will help you.
Alright everyone, so that is our model monologue. I hope that you read and listen this monologue as well. Now let's move on to our part B, vocabulary. Study the monologue again. Then match the expressions to the correct definitions. As you can see, everyone, we have A to I. Now, these words, you need to find the correct definition down below. We have the definition, and on the missing blank, you need to fill in this one with the correct letter or the correct word. So let's start. Here is the first definition. An airplane's driver. What do you call about this person? This is a letter G. What's that? G. Pilot. Correct. Now, this second definition, to change houses. So what do you call about this? Move. Correct. Next, want to know. What is that? You are curious. Next, to speak to. What is this? Talk with. Next, very hard. Another word for very hard. Difficult. Next, to go to. Attend. Next, to decide to do something. What's this? Set a goal. Correct. This one, a person from another country. Foreigner. Correct. And the last one, related to more than one country. What is this? International. Correct. So there you have it, everyone. I hope that you are clear about these words, vocabulary words, and its definition. Don't forget about that, okay? Now let's move on to our part C. But before that, everyone, we have a brief note. A goal is something good that you want and plan to do. To decide to do it is to set a goal. And to do it is to reach your goal. Here, reach means or finish. Means to do. Do or finish. So that is our brief note. Now, for our part C, vocabulary comprehension, you need to listen to the woman in our listening audio track. Then fill in the blanks. Are you ready, everyone? Listen first and answer. Let's start.
Track 15.
Everyone should learn to set goals. A good goal is difficult, but not too difficult. It has to be something you can do. For example, don't set a goal to become the most famous person in the world by next year. It can't happen. I like to write my goals and to put a check mark by each goal as I reach it. When you reach your goal, it feels awesome. One of my first goals was to get a high score on the TOEFL test. That's because I want to move to America and attend college there. My next goal is to major in international business. I really need to learn English because in my future career, I have to talk with people from a lot of different countries.
Alright, everyone, so that is our vocabulary comprehension. Now that you hear our audio track listening, this woman talks about. It's time for us to fill these missing words. Now, number 1, the woman says people should learn to set goals. Next, number 2, I hope you answer as well, okay? You can check this answer, everyone. Number 2, she says a good goal is difficult but is something you can do. Next, number 3, the woman wants to move to America and attend college there. Next, number 4, she wants to major in international business. Correct. Okay, for our number 5, she needs to talk with people from other countries. So this is our part C, vocabulary comprehension. Now, for our part D, about you, what is your biggest goal for this week? Write it below. Then talk about it with a partner. Here, my goal for this week is to, now you have to complete this sentence, write into your notebook, and share into your group study. Okay, everyone? Now, it's time for our exercise. Our exercise is use the following vocabulary in a sentence. We have 8 vocabulary words in here. All you have to do, use these vocabulary words in a sentence or make a sentence using these words. So we have set a goal, talk with, attend, difficult, foreigner, pilot, international, and curious. Don't forget to send your answers to your teacher's personal telegram. So that's it, everyone. This is the end of our first session. Don't forget to finish all your activities for today, including our classwork and also our homework. I'll see you again, everyone, in our second session. Goodbye. Keep safe.